2/3 of your business is takeout, correct?
Business English made simple. Let's learn from The Accountant too. Christian says, 2/3 of your business is takeout, correct? Let's break it down. 2/3. This means 2 out of 3 parts, or about 67%. In business, we often talk about fractions of our income or sales this way. Takeout, food that customers order to eat at home, not in the restaurant. Also called takeaway in British English. Notice how Christian asks, correct, at the end? This is a common way to confirm information. You state something and add correct or right to check if it's true.
2/3 of your business is takeout, correct?
Got my tax reports, huh? You people.
Got my tax reports, huh? Ike is surprised that Christian has his financial documents. Got here means obtained or have. The huh shows his surprise. You people. This phrase can sound dismissive or even rude. Ike is referring to accountants or government officials as a group he doesn't like.
Got my tax reports, huh? You people. That's right, 2/3. Ask me anything, unit cost, payroll, promotions, you name it, I know where every dime goes.
Unit cost, payroll, promotions, you name it. Unit cost is how much it costs to make one item. Payroll means a list of the employees of a company, showing how much each one earns or the total amount of money paid to the people employed by a particular company. Promotions are marketing efforts to attract customers. You name it means, I know everything, just say it. I know where every dime goes. A dime is a 10-cent coin, but here it means every small amount of money. This expression means, I know exactly how all my money is spent.
That's right, 2/3. Ask me anything, unit cost, payroll, promotions, you name it, I know where every dime goes.
Last year's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization.
Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. This is a technical accounting term called Ebitda. Don't worry about memorizing this. Just understand that Christian is asking about the company's profits before certain expenses are subtracted. It's a way to measure how much money a business really makes.
Last year's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization.
42.9 mil.
You claim 41.9 million.
Keep reading, E.F. Hutton.
You claim 41.9 million. To claim something in business means to officially report it, usually to the government. So, Christian found that Ike reported less income than what he just said. That's suspicious. Keep reading, E.F. Hutton. E.F. Hutton was a famous investment company. Ike is sarcastically calling Christian by this name, suggesting he thinks he's a big financial expert. It's like saying, keep going, Mr. Financial Genius, in a mocking way.
42.9 mil.
You claim 41.9 million.
Keep reading, E.F. Hutton. $1 million in charitable contributions to homeless shelters.
Charitable contributions equals donations. Homeless shelters are places that give people without homes a place to sleep and eat.
$1 million in charitable contributions to homeless shelters.
Let's go.
Setting aside the amateur nature of this preparation.
Setting aside the amateur nature of this preparation. Setting aside. This means ignoring for now, or not considering. Christian is politely saying the bookkeeping is poorly done, but he'll ignore that problem for now. Amateur nature. Amateur means not professional. Christian is criticizing how unprofessionally the financial records were prepared.
Setting aside the amateur nature of this preparation, considering you could have deducted considerably more from your taxable income, What is the most frequently ordered size of pizza?
You could have deducted considerably more from your taxable income. To deduct means to take away an amount or part from a total. Taxable income is the money the government can tax. So Christian says Ike could have removed more costs from the income he pays tax on.
Considering you could have deducted considerably more from your taxable income, what is the most frequently ordered size of pizza?
Large, 90%.
Large pizza is $17.35, which accounts for 1,484,315 large pizzas.
What's your point?
What's your point means, why are you telling us this? She doesn't yet see what Christian is trying to prove.
Large, 90%.
Large pizza is $17.35, which accounts for 1,484,315 large pizzas.
What's your point?
Your paper costs are $360,000, which only accounts for 900,000 large pizza boxes.
You are making my head hurt.
Your paper cost of $360,000. Paper cost. This is money spent on pizza boxes. Only accounts for 900,000 large pizza boxes. Accounts for means covers or explains. He says they only bought enough boxes for 900,000 pizzas, but they claim to sell 1.48 million. You are making my head hurt. This is a common expression meaning you're confusing me, or this is too complicated for me to understand.
Your paper costs are $360,000, which only accounts for 900,000 large pizza boxes.
You are making my head hurt.
It's considerably less than the aforementioned 1,484,315 large pizzas.
Considerably less equals much less. Aforementioned is a formal way to say the thing I mentioned before. So Christian is calmly showing the numbers don't match.
It's considerably less than the aforementioned 1,484,315 large pizzas.
Right? That's because we do it by the slice.
By the slice?
Yeah.
No, impossible.
Because we do it by the slice. By the slice means they don't always sell whole pizzas, just individual pieces. But Christian doesn't believe that. It doesn't explain the missing boxes.
Right? That's because we do it by the slice.
By the slice?
Yeah.
No, impossible. You're fraudulently claiming more income than you're receiving in order to conceal income from another source. What is it?
You're fraudulently claiming more income than you're receiving. Fraudulently means dishonestly or illegally. Claiming more income than you're receiving, saying you made more money than you actually did. In order to conceal income from another source. Conceal means to hide. Another source. Maybe the money is coming from somewhere else. Something illegal. He's accusing Ike of hiding dirty money.
You're fraudulently claiming more income than you're receiving in order to conceal income from another source. What is it?
Rodent.
Now wait just a second.
Rodent. This is an insult. He's angry. He calls Christian a rodent, like a rat, which means someone sneaky or someone who exposes others.
Rodent.
Now wait just a second.
I take time out of my busy day to answer your silly ass questions, and you got the balls to accuse me of money laundering?
Money laundering equals hiding illegal money by making it look legal.
I take time out of my busy day to answer your silly ass questions, and you got the balls to accuse me of money laundering?
That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.